President of Samsung's mobile division, DJ Koo, confirmed in an interview with ZDNet that the Galaxy S9 would be ready to launch at a trade show at some point in February this year. There's only one major trade show for mobile phones in February, and that's MWC, where Samsung has traditionally revealed its flagship handsets. Samsung took a break from MWC last year to host its own event for the Galaxy S8 launch, but it looks like the company will probably return to the show in Barcelona for the next generation handset. That all kicks off on February 26 this year, but Samsung usually goes slightly ahead of the doors opening at the show, so we may see it on Sunday, February 25. When the phone will be on sale is less clear, but usually Samsung manages to put its phone on shelves a few weeks after the announcement, so hopefully we'll hear about it landing at some point in March 2018. What we can safely predict is that the Samsung Galaxy S9 is sure to be expensive, as the Galaxy S8 launched at $720, £689, $1,199. Samsung Galaxy S9 screen. The Bell reports unnamed industry sources saying that Samsung has been hard at work on the display panels for the Galaxy S9 since late March 2017. If true, that's apparently about 6 months earlier than usual. As for the form the screen will take, it's rumored, and likely, to retain the Galaxy S8's 18.5:9 aspect ratio. There's also a good chance it will be the same size as the Galaxy S8, coming in at 5.8 inches, though one rumor puts it at 5.65 inches. It's also sure to be curved and continue Samsung's trend of using Super AMOLED, which delivers vibrant visuals and good contrast. An image seemingly showing the Galaxy S9's retail box has also leaked, listing a 5.8-inch QHD and Super AMOLED screen. The biggest change could be an in-screen fingerprint scanner, which has been rumored. Notably, the new Qualcomm fingerprint sensor can sit below quite thick displays, and OLED technology, used in Samsung flagship phones, was specifically mentioned. Synaptics has also announced an in-screen scanner and mentioned not just OLED but also Infinity Display, which is what Samsung calls the S8's screen, and that it's being used on a phone made by a top 5 manufacturer. All of that points to the Samsung Galaxy S9 having fingerprint sensing technology below the glass. Then again, one tipster claims an in-screen scanner isn't in the cards, as does another recent report, so don't count on that feature just yet. Aside from that, in late 2016 Samsung licensed a new glass coating technology that makes water bounce off your smartphone screen. Samsung plans to include this tech in an upcoming phone, so it may mean the Galaxy S9 is much easier to use in the rain. Watch the video below to see how the technology works.